What's up, everyone? ThePandaPhotographer here. Let me talk about why photographers make the industry so bad. And let me explain why. Why would you want to do free work? Why would you teach the person that wants to hire you to do the free work to abuse us as photographers and abuse the next photographer in line? I find that a little weird and a little bit confusing. If you're good at something, what you do, you should not do it for free. Definitely don't do it for free. Now, take it from me, as I travel from state to state, country to country, I will never do free work, because what's the point? Someone's telling me that they go build my portfolio for me? Nah, you can't do that, because I already have done that. I have already established that foundation already. So why are people always asking for free work when they can't actually pay the photographer and expect the photographer to do so much work for what, beer tickets? What are you gonna do for me at the end of the day where how am I gonna pay my bills? How can I afford to keep my website up? How can I afford to eat or live, stay clean, buy new gear, put insurance on my gear? Can you actually supply that? But no, here's the problem. People always suspect that photographers have to work for free. Nah, no, we do not. Never work for free, never do something that, if you're good at something, don't do it for free. You're abusing yourself. And you're also abusing the foundation. And you're also abusing the next person in line. Now, a lot of people here in Madison want me to do free work and expect me to work on pennies on an hour. I can't do that. Sorry. I got financial bills to be paid. I got insurance. I got a phone bill. I got a website. I gotta pay for marketing sometimes to also get my name out there. Even though I might have a website, a business, and for what? But that's not gonna work out in the end for me. But it's Saturday, got farmers market going on, so it's a lot of noise. So, but there's a lot of people that's expecting the best from you, but it's actually they expecting you to shoot the best that you can for free, which is ridiculous. Oh. Cut. Start. Ooh, wrong direction. But anyways, so I'm trying to figure this out. Why are you photographers willing to do free work? I don't understand. Wait, let me stop for a moment. Why are you willing to do free work and abuse yourselves? I just can't comprehend that. I can't understand why would you do that to yourself? Because that person or that person that wants to hire you to do the free work is going to keep begging you to do the next event for free. Why would you want to do that to yourself? I just don't quite understand that. And not only that, you're not teaching them any valuable lesson behind it. Listen, they have to pay the photographer to shoot regardless, because hey, I spent a couple $1,000 on the gear. Why am I being forced to shoot for free? If I'm good at something, you should pay for it. Why are you taking the time out to hire or ask the question, hey, would you mind shooting this event for us and we supply you beer tickets? I find that kind of disrespectful. I find that kind of disturbing. I find that a little bit humane. I'm a human being. How you expect me to live? Come on, that's just fucking ridiculous. And as photographers, you guys should be ashamed of yourself for even doing it for free. Why are you doing it for free? Stop doing it for free. Don't work for free. Stop it. This is my last video. I made videos before this. I'm just gonna tell you right now, stop doing work for free. You do not want to disrespect yourself. Man up or woman up and tell the person, no, If they said they're gonna get someone else to do it, then let them get someone else to do it. But you should let that photographer know also you shouldn't do it for free either. Simple as that. If you want to stand together, you want to stand strong together, you want to stand beside another photographer and help a photographer, and that's what we should do in this community, let the next photographer know, even if they have a skill set and now they want to structurally build the business, you should let them know, if you want to start a business, don't do it for free, period. It's end of discussion. I'm the Panda Photographer. I'm done with this rant. I'm just sick of this shit. I got an email last night, that's why. And I had to email the person. I'm not trying to be rude. I'm not trying to be rude. I'm not trying to be disrespectful. I had to let the person know, stop asking me to do stuff for free, because you know what? You're disrespecting me, you're disrespecting the foundation, you're disrespecting yourselves, and you're disrespecting so many other photographers. So go eat a bag of dicks or something, man. Come on, I don't got time for that. You gotta eat, sleep, and do the same shit all the time. It's kind of fucking weird. It's just very weird how people expect you to do work for free. Like, wait, is cameras falling from the sky? I'm pretty sure they don't fall from the fucking sky. I'm pretty sure. Let me look up, let me check. Nope. All I see is rain, snow, sleet. What's wrong with these people asking me to do something for free? It's insane. It's absurd. You should like be ashamed of yourself. You want to put the person out on the street because you want me to do the photo shoot for free? So you rather me be homeless? This is the thing, guys. I'd rather be homeless than let someone take advantage of my skill sets. I'd rather sleep on the street before someone says, oh, I have to do that for free. I'm like, oh, well, I guess I'm sleeping on the street then. I don't give a shit. I'm a survivor. What can people actually give me in return? I'm not saying that you have to pay me to do something. No, I'm at the library, guys. I'm not saying that you have to pay me. Listen, I'm not saying that I'm the guy for the job. We all here for the job, and we all photographers need to be paid at what we do best. Simple as that. If you don't like it, that's too bad. So, I'm ending this rant. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Eat, sleep, photography, repeat. Peace.